Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, today we will be doing the analysis. Before that, I want to give you a disclaimer that these are my personal views and personal studies. So I know I won't guarantee any success or profit from these trades, and make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio before taking any trades. Right, friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. Friends, see, this tomorrow, Thursday, we have scheduled a masterclass called Price Action Secrets, where I'm going to teach more about what is price action, why support and resistance work, and what are the important candles to be looked at during intraday trading. And also, I'm going to share you 3 intraday patterns which I use. See, I have actually more than 30 intraday patterns. Mainly, these are the patterns which I use. I always keep my trading rules and patterns in front of me. And from this, I'm going to give you 3 important patterns, right? So I want all you to register for this masterclass, and let us meet at the masterclass tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And Friday, we have scheduled Superpower Trader, again 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., where we will be talking more about psychology behind successful trading, because 60% of our success depends on the psychology. And also, I'm going to teach you money management. It's more important than any analysis that we need to understand how to manage our mind and how to manage our money. Right, so this is what I'm going to teach you in Friday's masterclass, again 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So I want all you to register for Friday's masterclass also. So I want to meet in both the masterclasses. Let us meet at the masterclass, right? So friends, yesterday I got a call from one of our YouTube follower asking, he had followed our view, and in fact it came near to the target and went back and hit the stop loss. So what should we do during those times, right? So I'll be explaining in today's video that also. Let us continue. Let us start our analysis. I'll share my screen. So let us see first what had happened yesterday. All you know that yesterday I told it was a wide CPR and I was expecting a sideways day, and this is what happened. It was almost a sideways kind of thing, and price actually broke the CPR. I mean, went to CPR, took a resistance, and came back. Right. I have mentioned that we were expecting a 6530 level. That's what the chart was showing, right? 6530 near to 6530 level, right? This is what I told, 6530 to 25 level. And below that, we have 6514 level. This is what I told in my video, right? And exactly the trend was right, and it came down when it broke the previous day's low. It started, it recovered slightly, then again it started coming down, right? Of course, the stop loss should be above the intraday high, or above some certain support or resistance level, right? But here, if you see, the price exactly came near to 6,554 or something. From there, it recovered. So during this kind of situation, when the trend actually favored us, but it couldn't go to near to our target, what should we do? See, friends, one thing we should always understand, that for any trade, if you don't get a 1:2 risk reward ratio, you should not take it, right? So the moment you saw there was a break and there can be a downside, you would have shorted and you would have kept a stop loss somewhere above the blue line, right? So minimum you should get it 1:2 risk reward ratio, right? Normally I do in options, and I keep almost a 0.5% to 1% kind of thing. 0.5% if at a stop loss, 1% should be the target. That's what normally we keep, right? And here, we actually, when we got this signal, exactly we had a 1:2 risk reward ratio, right? But the price came near to the target. From there was a recovery, right? Normally, what I do, I keep always a trial stop loss. So the moment I get 1:1, I normally trial my stop loss to the cost, so that even if it recovers, because it's a probability gain, right? It's not a certainty gain. So even if it recovers, I know that at least the stop loss may get hit at my cost, but I won't end up in loss. Right? That's the most important. The risk controlling is most important in trading, right? And then, as and when again, when I get 1.5% extra into my pocket, I again reverse my stop loss to 1.5%. So like that, I trial my stop loss, right? So during the recovery, even though my stop loss hit, my stop loss hit at a small profit, right? So I request or I suggest each and every trader who is following this, make sure that you also keep a trial stop loss. When you get at least 1:1, change your stop loss to your cost. Then when you get 1:1.5, change your that stop loss to again 0.5 to your favor. Like that, you keep on trial your stop loss, right? So that even if it goes against you after some time, it will hit it either with a minimum profit or a dip. So you won't end up in losing the trade, right? So this is what yesterday happened. After that, we got a recovery, even though there was no trading opportunity because it was playing within the CPR range. We all know that CPR range is not a trading zone, right? Now let us do today's analysis. First, we will do analysis with one daily candle of MCX. Friends, you can clearly see that the price actually broke previous day's low and came down, but almost near to this zone, it took a support and again went up, right? It was a small pin kind of thing, right? A small rocket candle kind of thing. It's not any trend actually. There can be a small trend reversal. We don't know, right? I'll show you one more pattern today, one more chart today, which I normally use for short-term view. So here, when we go and see NYMEX crude, this is what happened yesterday. There was a small red candle, right? A small candle, which is again not a decision-making candle, especially speaking, right? So maybe my trend, I will be again keeping bearish below previous day's low, right? The $79.94 or whatever. Till the time, I'll just wait for a downside, right? Because if you see last 1.5 or almost 2 weeks, if you see, even though it tried to break, it's not breaking, right? The buyers are also equally strong. So I am also waiting for a proper pattern, right? I told why my bearish trend, why I am expecting a bearish trend, because of there was a gap, the gap has to fill, right? And one more thing, the price was trading much away from 20 MA. Maybe there is a probability that 20 MA go to this level, somewhere it will give us support, right? There is a probability. Why I am telling? See, I normally use one more chart. This is for my positional views, basically monthly views. So you can clearly see that, we have two levels called H3 and H4 level, which normally we discuss it during our advanced course. So if you see, there was a breakout in H3 level, and so normally whenever we get any breakout from this H3 level, it normally goes and try to touch H4 level, right? That's what normally happens. And you can see clearly yesterday also, it came exactly at this level, our level, H3 level, and from there the support happened, right? So what I am expecting, in case if it breaking yesterday's, this is 2 hours chart, yesterday's this level, 6,690 level, there can be, the price may be trading about 20 EMA, and there is a probability that it can go and hit our H4 level, which is 6,000. I'll off my video so that you can see the level, right? Which is around 6,910 level, 18 level, right? So I may be taking a bullish trend if I'm getting any pattern above this level, 6,690 level, right? Maybe it can go up to 6,910, what I'm expecting, which is actually our H4 level, right? So this analysis we won't be doing normally our daily analysis. Just I want to show you that there is a probability, right? Ours all is a probability game. So I want to make sure tell you that why I may be looking for a bullish trade also now onwards, right? Because I was expecting if the selling happens, if this level can break so that it can come to this range, right? And it can fill our gap also, right? Now we will do 30-minute analysis of NYMEX crude. The CPR is an average CPR, not a narrow CPR, not a wide CPR. So either it can be a trending day or it can be a sideways day. And today we have inventory. So I may be even expecting a trending day if we get any proper breakout, right? Now my trading opportunities, I may be looking selling below the previous day's low. I may be looking at buy above the previous day's high, right? Since yesterday was a sideways day, these levels can play as a very good important levels, right? Now we will do today's intraday. What are the important levels for intraday trading in MCX code? Friends, MCX crude, even the CPR range start from 6,622 to 6,660, right? It's almost a wide kind of CPR. And since it's a Wednesday, today it's an inventory day, I may be even looking for a trending day, as I told during my NYMEX code analysis, right? But MCX code is telling it's a wide CPR, right? Yeah, because this all values is derived from the previous day's open, high, low, close. So after our market closed, there was trading happening in NYMEX code. So I may be looking more on NYMEX code also, right? And as of now, if you see, the price actually opened within the CPR range and it broke CPR range. So normally people expect there can be a fall, right? It came down below the CPR range, so it can be a fall. But you can clearly see that none of the candles are strong enough for a trend, right? So normally people may expect if the price comes down below the CPR, even we may get a support or resistance from this 20 EMA, and it can come near to the previous day's low. That's what normally people expect. But I am, as of now, I'm not expecting that, since these are not a proper a strength candle. The strength of the candle is not enough for us to take in a decision, right? So I will be keeping away right now. But definitely, if I get any proper good pattern or good elephant or rocket candle, which I'm going to discuss tomorrow's webinar. So those kind of candle with a proper location, if I get, I may be looking for a selling opportunity for a target of yesterday's below, which is 6,554, right? So let us see what are the, in case if we are getting downside trend, what are the important support and resistance, right? Friends, if we are getting from previous day's low, which is 6,554 to till 6,540, these all I will be marking as a zone for today's trade, right? It's all a zone for me. So if at all price comes to those level, it can take support somewhere and there can be a recovery. The selling, the bigger trending selling, I will be looking only below 6,514 level if we get a good pattern, right? And so let us mark right now itself so that it will be clear for everyone. So and what I'm telling is these are the levels which I am looking for a support zone, right? Yeah, these are the support zone. So in case if the price falls, I will be looking some support somewhere near to this range. And if it breaks, then I will be looking for a bigger target of 6,383 level, right? This is what the downside opportunity which I'm looking. But in case if it reverses somewhere and breaks CPR and breaks previous day's high, first we have a resistance at 6,709 level, right? Which is weekly pivot. This is also one of the strong resistance. But if that breaks, this is a small resistance 6,729, which I told you on yesterday's video also. And above this level, I will be even looking for 6,779 and 6,843 level, right? Since I am expecting a trending day today, I may be looking for bigger target also, right? And again, the main important level which I will be, in case if that also breaks, main important level which I will be looking up to 6,911 or 10 level basically, which I already showed you in my monthly analysis chart, that this is the level which I'm expecting and upside level. But again, question, will it happen today itself? I don't know, right? This is a probability. But as if we get any good candles with good patterns, definitely I'll be looking for those opportunities also, right? So that's all in this video, friends. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Let us meet in tomorrow's video. Thank you very much.